Hi everyone, we are back with a new fun coding video. So if you want to see how different parts compare to a total over time, like let's say you want to see how your appliances in your room or your apartment contribute to the total energy, you can use the stack area chart to make this trace or to display this very easily. In this video, I'm just going to show how you can do that with a few lines of code. First, we are going to import the matplotlib library. We import matplotlib library as plt. Then we will just set an example. Here I'm going to just show how traffic or what contribute to different traffic on a website. So example of a website, I will first declare all months and just say 6 months or 5 months. Let me make it 5 just to keep it a bit small. The next source I'm going to use is whether or not the traffic of the website are caused by organic, just people following the website. So instead of organic visit, I'm just going to say just organic. And then the next thing is whether or not people are just finding it on different social media platforms. And then the general ads too can be one of the sources of website traffic. What I'll do next is to now use the stackplot library to just stack these variables on top of each other. So we are stacking month organic, not month, but organic social ads.